My name is Carlo Versa and I teach global business strategy. I have a consultancy which helps clients in Europe and Asia develop their business strategy, so I bring this experience to my lectures. I prefer to illustrate the theory by mentioning practical examples from my background, working with big multinational companies. So my course is very interactive. We work a lot together in the classroom. I ask many questions. I appreciate if the students share their comments, their opinions. In today's world, which changes so quickly, having a robust strategy is a must if we want to avoid working in chaotic conditions. Companies are often obliged anyway to modify their strategy because the market changes. So we have to become adaptable, very fast and nimble if we want not just to survive, but to prosper and grow. Unfortunately, there are no secret formulas to achieve this. What we have is the experience that has generated a sound methodology, and we have to learn to apply it in a flexible way.